2020 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.